Okay, Kohler Predaror 212cc motor fit on a Cub Cadet RT65. This took me about 15 minutes to put in. No modifications, all the bolts match perfectly. The shaft is perfect. It's exactly the same dimensions. Will it run is another question. But I decided to share this information with you because you can't find that information on YouTube. Well, this is the Predaror 212. It's $120 on sale. Sometimes you can get it for as low as $120. Will it run? That's another question. So stay tuned. There you have it. Predaror 212cc motor. Costs about $120, $130 on sale. Took about 15 minutes to install, about a half hour to remove the old engine because I did get a puller and everything to pull the old pulley off. And yeah, so for about an hour's worth of labor, or less than an hour, I got a nice running Cub Cadet RT65 rototiller. No modifications. It bolted right up. The original Kohler motor, which is right here, exactly dimensionally the same size, bolt holes, 5/16 shaft threaded. Not sure the exact dimensions of the shaft, but the bolt that came out of this motor bolted right up. The bolts on the side held the bracket perfectly on the Predaror, and the engine lines up perfectly. I mean, there was zero modifications. So far so good. Maybe I'll do a review a couple of years later and let you know how it's been running for me. The old Kohler engine, it's probably just a carburetor issue. It does run, but it was very finicky, and I just got tired of playing with it. This one, 2 poles, started right up, right out of the box, so I'm happy.